Hi, welcome to the tutorial from Dwance on the song Chedkhanian.
The sweet song, you're going to start nice, fingers sticking out, look up, okay, gentle, loose body, loose, okay. There's a difference. If you tighten up your body, it doesn't feel that graceful. So whenever you do a little more folksy, more classical, try to loosen your palms, your forearms, so it looks nice and graceful. Good? All right. Step one, look side to side. Let me just adjust my camera. Okay. Look side to side. For the feet, use your bounce. Good? Side to side, side to side, side to side. Good. And stay here for a second before you move. Make it graceful. Step one, flat palm. Take that leading leg. It can be right or left, depending on what comes naturally to you. Step two, back. Okay, foot goes diagonal, center, back to the neutral. Hand goes together. So make that full circle and bring it into a diagonal. And then stay here, give me 2 bounces. And then take that hand, again, loose hands, and jerk, jerk, jerk. Draw the center line, come to the center. Next step, other side, 2 bounces, loose palms. Make the wave, 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 back to the center. Good. Now, the next step, you're going to do it front, back. I'm going to show it to you side by side. Take that leading leg forward, backward, forward, and turn. Hands go up, down, up into a circle as you turn, okay? Forward, backward, and turn. Run 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a quick 8 count. Wait for the music again. Forward, backward, turn around. Run 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do it front, back. Next step, okay? You guys are going to turn your torso, okay? You're going to turn. Take that, chop it, chop. Hand and out. When you unturn, kick your leg up. Turn, 2, 3, 4, switch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, center jump. One more time. 1, so 1 is turn, 2 is kick, unturn, again 3, 4, switch sides, 2, 3, 4, one more time, and center. Good. Then the chorus step. Take that palm, push it, making a half a circle in the air with your feet tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And then you're taking your hand out. It starts with out, cross, uncross, up and down, cross, uncross, up and down. Feet are together when you do the cross and cross, up and down, cross and cross, up and down. When you go up, give me a pop. You can jump back, pop, good. Cross and cross, up and down, cross and cross, up and down. Second version, use your fingers. Run up to the camera. I want everybody running up to the camera. And then go bend your knees, back, back. Good. All right.
ओ सामने तू है ना, विस्फोट सा दिल में हुआ रे प्यार के ओशन में, एक बोट सा तैर गया रे, धक धक करके साउंड जो आया, बक बक करके तुझको बकाया, वो जरा घबरा के जरा इतरा के कर प्यार से करता रहा। छेड़खानियाँ छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी, छेड़खानियाँ छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी, छेड़खानियाँ छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी, छेड़खानियाँ छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी।